Welcome back to Financial Literacy 101. Today we're diving into the world of wealth and success. Before we dive in, let me start with a story. Once upon a time, there were two men named Alex and Ben who had just graduated from the same university with degrees in finance. They both started their careers at an investment bank, working long hours and saving diligently. However, after 5 years, Alex had managed to save up only $10,000, while Ben had accumulated over $1 million. People couldn't understand how Ben became so rich when he was no smarter than Alex. But here's the thing, both men had saved the same amount of money. So the question is, where did Ben's wealth come from? Well, the answer lies in the different mindsets they held. And that's what we're going to explore today. We will delve into the minds of the ultra-rich and uncover the 5 distinct habits that set them apart. These are the habits that have enabled them to build generational wealth and achieve financial freedom. So if you want to break free from the cycle of mediocrity and achieve extraordinary financial success, then keep watching. By understanding these 5 habits, you can start to cultivate the same mindset and behaviors that have led to the fortunes of the world's richest people. Number 1, wealth and success mindset. A man who has everything but lacks contentment will never have enough. There was a wise sage who said, "He who is rich in peace is rich indeed." He didn't say, "He who has much money is rich," but rather, "He who has inner peace and contentment is truly rich." When it comes to accumulating wealth, it's not just about the numbers in your bank account, but also about having a rich mindset. This means adopting the right beliefs and perspective towards money and wealth. Most people have a scarcity mindset where they believe there is never enough money to go around and that they must constantly struggle to get by. On the other hand, those with a rich mindset have an abundance mindset where they see endless opportunities for creating wealth and value. They believe that there is more than enough money for everyone and that they can achieve financial success through hard work and smart decision-making. One way to develop an abundance mindset is to challenge your limiting beliefs about money. For example, instead of saying, "Money is hard to come by," try saying, "I am open to receiving abundant opportunities for wealth creation." You can also visualize yourself already living a wealthy life and ask yourself, how does it feel to be rich? By cultivating this mindset, you can attract more abundance and prosperity into your life. Remember, true wealth is not just about material possessions or bank balances, but also about having a rich mindset that embraces abundance and possibility. Number 2, financial literacy and planning. Do you ever wonder how some people seem to manage their finances effortlessly while others struggle to make ends meet? The secret may lie in their approach to financial literacy and planning. According to a survey conducted by the National Financial Educators Council, only 33% of Americans feel financially literate. However, becoming financially literate is crucial for achieving financial success. It involves understanding basic financial concepts such as budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Developing strong financial habits can help you track your expenses, avoid unnecessary debt, and allocate your resources wisely. One way to improve your financial literacy is to read books and articles on personal finance. Start by setting a monthly budget that outlines your income and expenses. Track your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Investing your money wisely is also essential for building wealth. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the overall market, as they generally offer a good balance between risk and reward. It's also important to plan for the future by setting financial goals and timelines. Determine how much you need to save and invest to achieve your desired level of financial security. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plan as needed. By developing strong financial habits and planning for the future, you can set yourself up for greater financial success and peace of mind. Number 3, consistent action and discipline. Imagine a life where you wake up every morning feeling motivated and ready to take on the day. You know exactly what needs to be done, and you do it without hesitation. That's the kind of life that awaits those who master consistent action and discipline. While it may seem challenging at first, with practice and persistence, it becomes easier over time. Think about a professional athlete who practices their sport daily to maintain their skills and fitness level, or a musician who practices their instrument regularly to perfect their craft. Similarly, achieving financial success requires consistent effort and discipline. It means making smart choices every day, such as choosing to save a portion of your income or avoiding impulse purchases. You can develop better financial habits by setting realistic goals and deadlines, tracking your progress, and celebrating your achievements along the way. Creating a supportive environment can also help, such as by surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and values. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving success. It means sticking to your plan even when you don't feel like it. By mastering consistent action and discipline, you can unlock a life of financial freedom and success. Number 4, networking and building relationships. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly climb the career ladder while others struggle to get ahead? It could be because they understand the power of networking and building relationships. According to a study by the Social Capital, people with strong social connections are more likely to find better job opportunities and earn higher incomes. The truth is, life is all about who you know. Whether it's potential customers, business partners, or mentors, your network can provide you with valuable insights, support, and opportunities that can help you achieve your goals. Attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and reaching out to people in your field are great ways to expand your network. However, it's essential to be genuine in your interactions and focus on building meaningful relationships rather than simply collecting business cards. As the old saying goes, your network is your net worth. So invest in building strong relationships and watch your financial success grow. Remember, it's not about what you know, but who you know. So start building your network today and see how it can benefit your financial success. Number 5, giving back and impact. Ever wonder why some of the most successful people in the world also dedicate their time and resources to making a positive impact on society? It's not just about philanthropy. It's about giving back to the community and making a difference in the lives of others. Studies have shown that giving to others can actually increase our own happiness and well-being, as well as boost the local economy and create a ripple effect of generosity. From volunteering at a local charity to supporting a cause that's close to your heart, there are many ways to give back. One way to give back is by mentoring young individuals and sharing your knowledge and experience. By investing in the next generation, you can help create a better future for everyone. Another way is to support local businesses and organizations that align with your values. This can help strengthen your community and create a positive impact on the world around you. Giving back doesn't always have to be about money. Your time, skills, and attention are also valuable, so don't underestimate the power of giving back and the positive impact it can have on your life and the lives of others. Remember, the best way to receive more is to give more. So start giving back today and watch how it can enrich your life in ways you never imagined. There you have it, the 5 habits that have the power to transform your financial future. If you've made it this far, we know you're serious about achieving greatness. But don't stop now. We've got more videos coming up that will keep you on the path to success. So click that subscribe button and get ready to level up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.